loan app na nagbibigay ng 24 months to pay? Di nga, totoo. This is something that you don't always see sa ibang mga OLAs or other lending platforms. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Atomi Cash Loan and their 24-month installment payment option. Something that you need to know bago ka pumunta sa ibang apps. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. And just a quick disclosure lamang po, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay base lamang sa aking personal experiences, opinion, and for educational purposes only. First of all, sa mga hindi pa familiar kay Atomi, it's a buy now pay later service or platform na matagal nang kilala dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yung pinaka-primary na product na ino-offer ni Atomi ay yung Atomi card, which actually works like pretty much like a regular credit card. You're able to purchase and then kahit wala ka pang cash and then you can just pay in installment later on. But other than the Atomi cash card, Atomi also offers cash loan. It's actual cash na pwede mong gamitin kung saan mo man gusto. Whether for emergency, whether for home improvement, or kahit pang negosyo pa. So, who can apply? Active Atomi user with transaction history, at least 18 years old with a valid ID. Tapos, you need to have a bank account. So, open nyo lang yung Atomi app nyo. Tapos, makakita mo sa homepage mismo, you see there the card. And then sa right side, merong cash. If you are pre-approved or pre-qualified, makikita mo dito yung amount. So, tap nyo lang yung cash na section doon. Tapos, here, pwede ka nang mag-request ng loan. So, if I tap on this here, you just have to enter the loan amount. I can loan up to 50,000 pesos. So, piliin lang natin itong 50,000 and dito na papasok yung 24-month option nila. So, repayment plan, ito yung available sa akin. I have 24 monthly payments, 18, 12, at saka 9 monthly payments. Now, if I go ahead with 50,000 pesos, ito yung magiging monthly repayment ko, 3,833.41. So, ito makikita mo yan dito. So, yung monthly interest niya ay nasa 2.65%. Tapos, meron pa siyang loan facilitation fee na 0.85%. So, 2.65 plus 0.85, para nasa 3.5%. So, at first glance, parang 2.65% lang, diba? Kasi yun yung nakalagay dito. Pero meron pa kasi yung loan facilitation fee na 0.85%. If you add that up, nasa 3.5% talaga yung parang pinapatong sa principal mo every month. So, ito yung schedule niya. So, payable in 24 months. So, it's 3,833.33 times natin ng 24 months. A total of 91,999.92 yung total na babayaran mo. Pero yung hinira mo lang naman ay 50,000 pesos. So, in 24 months, minus 50,000. So, bali yung tubo niya ay nasa 41,999 pesos 0.92. Divided by natin ng 24 months. Ito, yung monthly na interest nasa 1,749 pesos. Yikes! Sobrang laki. Alright, so just wanted to give you an idea, but just to set your expectations, hindi nga pala available si 24 months installment option if, for example, I will select a different loan amount. Kasi 50,000 yung naka-default dito, diba? If I go ahead with the 20,000, ito lang yung option ko. Payable lang siya in 6 months with a monthly repayment of 4,493 pesos. And then yung pangalawang option niya ay 3 months to pay, which is 7,946.67 yung babayaran ko buwan-buwan. So, yeah. The 24-month payment option is not available not unless yung pinaka-maximum loan amount ang kukunin mo. So, there's the catch. Okay ba yung 24 months to pay? Honestly, depende how you look at it. Mas matagal mong babayaran yung loan mo only means mas mataas din yung total na interest na babayaran mo. So, it really depends
kung alin yung mas importante sa'yo. If I am someone na marami na akong binabayaran every month and then I need additional funds for something pero ayoko ng sobrang laking babayaran, so syempre magtitiis na lang ako doon sa longer repayment plan. Bahala na kahit matagal ko siyang bayaran as long as magaan lang siya sa bulsa buwan-buwan. So, it's really your preference. Depende na po yan sa priorities ninyo. If you come to think about it, yes, the shorter the repayment loan, mas mababa yung babayaran ko sa interest in total. Pero nagkandakuba naman ako sa monthly payment na babayaran ko. Or would I rather pay it with the longer repayment option, matagal nga, mas malaki nga yung babayaran ko na interest sa total amount, in totality, pero magaan lang naman siya babayaran every month. So I just want to put it out there para mas alam niyo. 24 months to pay. Wow, why am I making this a big deal? It's because, alam nyo naman, sa mga existing OLAs out there, sa mga lending platforms out there, bihira ka lang kasi makakakita ng lender na nagpapautang sa'yo payable in 24 months. Most of the OLAs, usually, nasa, yung iba nga, 14 days to pay, diba? 15 days to pay, 30 days to pay. Pero, yung pinaka-common is nasa 3 months to pay, 6, 9, 12 months at most. So, very seldom lang talaga yung nagpapahiram ng 24 months. Alright, so for example 50,000 pesos, babayaran ko siya ng 24 months. Yung magiging monthly ko lang ay nasa 3,833.41. Whereas, if I choose to have a shorter repayment period, itong 12 months yung kukunin ko, yung babayaran ko every month is nasa 6,241.67. Pero if I actually multiply that by 12, ang total na babayaran ko lang ay 74,900 pesos. Whereas, balik tayo doon sa 12 months to pay, 3,83341 times natin ng 24 months. So, yung total na babayaran ko sa kabila ay 92,001.84. So, do you see the difference? Mas mahaba yung longer period. Syempre, mas mataas yung total na babayaran mo balik kay Atome. Pero yung monthly mo ay nasa 3,000 lang. Whereas, yes, yung 50,000 mo tutubo lang ng mga 20,000 something. Yung total na babayaran mo pabalik kay Atome, nasa 72,000 lang. Pero yung monthly mo naman ay nasa 6,000 something. So it really depends on your preference and your priorities. But it's still good to know that Atome actually gives us that freedom to choose to repay our loans for a longer period of time. 24 months is no joke. So yeah, I think it's a very good option for some people. Kung ang monthly cash flow yung problema mo, ang laking tulong talaga ng 24 months na repayment option ni Atome. Para hindi siya mabigat sa bulsa at hindi ka mape-pressure every month. I just have a few things that I want to highlight. Yung 24-month repayment plan is actually not available for everyone. Hindi po siya para sa lahat. And that is based on Atome's internal assessment ng iyong risk profile. So, depende po yun. And also, yung 24-month na repayment option, dapat yung maximum loan amount yung kukunin ko for me to avail of the 24-month repayment plan. So, I need to loan 50,000, which is yung maximum na offer nila sa akin para ma-avail ko yung 24 months to pay. Yung 24 months na offer is actually a good option for people na medyo ayaw ng mabigat na and ma-pressure sila sa bayarin every month. But then again, you have to suffer the consequences of repaying like a higher interest in the long run. And if you haven't watched my other Atome videos, meron akong sinabi doon about them automatically charging your previously used card. I'll share the link over here or here. Basta, if you want to check that out. So, be careful na rin sa mga cards na gagamitin nyo for payment kasi if in the event na hindi kayo nakabayad on time, they might actually try to charge it on your previously used payment method. And lastly, yes, you were offered 50,000, for example, for the loan. But if you don't really need it, wag nang mag-loan. And if you need a little bit of money, kunin mo lang yung kailangan mo. Wag nang i-loan yung entire 50,000 pesos. Would I recommend it? Well, honestly, despite sa taas ng interest ni Atome. With the 24-month repayment option nila, I would still recommend it to those people na mas gusto yung mababa yung babayaran nila buwan-buwan para mas maging manageable. We know naman that yung 24 repayment is not available or bihira lang natin siyang makita sa ibang OLAs or sa other lending platforms. So, for me, this is a big deal. It can be a real deal breaker. It can be a real deal breaker. So, at the end of the day, it's your choice. Kung gusto mo ng mas mahaba na repayment period, pero mas magaan sa bulsa, mas manageable at hindi ka na-pressure buwan-buwan sa pagbayad. Or kung gusto mo ng short repayment plan para mas mababa yung total interest na babayaran mo, pero mas mabigat naman siya buwan-buwan. So, it's your call. So, what do you think? Is Atome Cash for you? Kung meron kang experience kay Atome, whether it's good or bad, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section para makatulong sa iba. And I'd also love to know more about your opinion and your experience. And if you are still here, please naman po, if you like what you are seeing or if you want to see more videos like this, then please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel, help my channel grow. And by the way, I'm planning if we get our first milestone, if we hit the 30,000 subscribers, magpapa-giveaway na po tayo. Maliit lang po muna ha, but it's something that you might expect, that you could expect rather. It's something that you could expect in the future. So yeah, thank you so much for your time and for watching until this part of the video. I appreciate you. I hope you have a beautiful day right ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.